everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 24th to the 28th of July 2023 on Monday. After Nomsa and the owner turned him down, Nandipha turned to Sandile for help with the dress. Funani comforts Zanele, who's struggling with Senzo's death, while Faith is making plans to kill Nandipha on Tuesday. Nandipha starts panicking when Les returns to work just before Nandipha meets with the client. Nandipha calls Funani and declares war after a failed attempt on her on Wednesday. Nandipha is saved when Les realizes that she returned to work too soon. Funani and Isaac discuss keeping Faith under control when Benjamin informed them about Alex Kadzi's dead body on Thursday. Nandipha sends a message to the Zwides through a press conference about how the law will eventually catch up with them. Eventually, Funani is brought in for questioning by the police on Friday. Nandipha has the police interrogate Funani over the murder of Alex Kadzi, but the police find nothing incriminating. After failing to break Funani, Nandipha set her sight on Nkosi. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.